Hello, bonjour, ciao, hola, mi nombre es Lucía Resnikov y soy de Buenos Aires, Argentina. To me, Anne Frank is a source of inspiration. Through her deep thoughts, even though she was a young girl and considering the context in which she wrote, I personally think her story is very meaningful for a lot of young people, such as our age. In my country, Anne is seen as an important figure too. Lots of children have read her diary, and a resolution has dictated that a quota for writing must be written in schools every June 12th. In my country, we face discrimination as well as it's seen in Anne's lines throughout the diary. I think nowadays, when concepts like violence or bullying are heard in the news every day, facing discrimination requires an extra effort. Just like Anne, I want to speak out to the world to let people know that even though cultures and countries and religions may create differences between them, it's that difference precisely that makes the world a better and original place. We should respect each other just by who we are.